Hello, everyone, and welcome to another lesson. I'm very happy to have you here with me today. Today, we're going to go over a community node that's quite useful. We're going to go over Tavily, which is a great way to search the web and get real-time updated search links for your AI agents, for your AI apps. But before I start, I just want to mention my store. Here you will find all of the automations that I've done, both for make.com and for n8n, and if you're interested in image generations with Comfy UI. You can also get this all access subscription, which gets you basically everything here, plus all the future blueprints and workflows that I will create. All right, so I'll put the link in the description below. Let's go back and here we are. So before you do anything to install a community node on a self-hosted n8n, which what I have, you need to go to settings here. So you go to settings and then go to community nodes, and here you go, you can install the community node. Now to find out what other community nodes are, you can hit browse if you don't know the community node name, because you need the community node name. And here I have the Tavily node. So this is the name that you want to copy, this section. You copy it and you put it right here, and you say I understand, and then you install. Then after you do, it will be available in here. And once you install it, you can go back and create a new workflow. And here I will say Tavily. All right, so what I'm going to do is I have my first step, which is the trigger step. I usually, when I want to test stuff, I start with a manual trigger, because this is, you cannot activate it, and it's only activated within the actual workflow. So what I want to do is I want to search for Tavily. There you go, this is the one. And as you can see here, it has this one, this icon. That means that this is a community node. So what I'll do is I have two actions. So it's an extract or search, but both of them are part of the same node. So once I have the Tavily here, the node, I can click on it and I can search between extract and search. But I think most people use the search one. So what you want is to put the query, but first you need to set up your account. So you need to create a new credential, get the API key, and the API key, once you go to the Tavily website, you create an account, and here in this section below you will find your API key here. You can copy it, get back to here, and put it here, the API key, and then you'll be good to go. So we're going to do an operation of query. So what we want to search for is, for example, n8n workflows, for example. Okay, so the power of Tavily here is not just the query, but the options that you get. Here you get so many options. So you get to choose how many results that you want. Let's say I want 5. You get to say what is the topic. Is it general? Is it not? You get to see the time range. So anytime, or do you want it to be recent? Let's say I want it in the past month. So, and then you get to choose include images, include domains, and all of these things. Okay, so once you specify all of these options here, here you also have search depth, which we said. So basic, advanced, comprehensive, or basic. Anyways, just play with those settings, and once you do, you can test this step. Here we go. We have, please check your parameters. Inval must be day, week, month, year. So the time range is the problem. Okay, so let's say anytime and test again. Okay, maybe we need to let's copy a month, and let's do an expression, and let's say month, and let's test. I think this will solve the situation. Okay, now that it's solved, let's see, we have this, so the results we have, so we have result this one, and we have result 1, and we said we want 5, so we got I think, yeah, we got 4. So here we got the title, the URL, the content here, there you go, the score, we have all of these things that we want. So how awesome is that? Just using the Tavily community node to basically get all the results that we want. What if we say we want 10, and let's say we want make.com workflows, and let's say remove the time range, and then let's search again. It will do its magic, and then here we have more results. Yeah, so we have 9 results. So it usually uses, if you want 10, you should put 11, you'll get 10 results. But here you go, we have all of these links for us to inspect and to include in our workflow. For example, if you're doing an automated blog site that scrapes the top results, and this is updated, and this is the power of Tavily, is that it gets you updated. So this is updated content, as if you were searching for this query. It gets you all the new the new information and the new search results. All right, so Tavily, it's quite an interesting node. A lot of people use it in their AI agents. It's very good for research, especially if you're doing blog posts or if you want to hook it to an AI agent that does research for you. Tavily is a great option. Of course, so to recap, Tavily is found in the settings menu here. You go to community nodes and you install it, and it's also now available on the cloud. They updated that I think a couple of days ago. So after you install it, you can now find it in here, and then you can start incorporating it. And here you can also search for other community nodes that are very, very useful. All right, if you guys enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.